hurricane emergency for the following counties: in Florida: Ockalasa, Walton, Holmes, Washington, Bay, Santa Rosa, Escambia; in Alabama: Baldwin, Mobile, Escambia, Washington, Clark, Monroe, Covington, Concord, Geneva, Houston, Henry, Coffee, Dale, Henry, and Butler County. Until 6:55 p.m. on Saturday, at 3:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time on Thursday, Hurricane Bally was located 672 miles off the coast of the Panhandle of Florida, moving due north at 55 miles per hour. This is a hurricane emergency for the counties that was said earlier. Get prepared now. Storm surge of 30 feet is expected. You have to evacuate or you will die. Repeating. You have to evacuate the warned area or you will die. The winds of Hurricane Bally are 225 miles per hour. And gusts of 350 miles per hour. Evacuate now. Repeating hurricane emergency for the warned area. This is the first time the warning has ever been used. Evacuate now.